And one of the first things that I did was to present at the HSCI Interlab meeting. And this was an incredibly well-attended meeting. There were hundreds of people there, and I immediately got to know much of the community. And that's saying a lot because the biomedical community at large at Harvard is enormous. And when you're coming from the outside and you're trying to navigate your way and find people that you want to interact with, reducing that community down into a manageable size where you can actually locate those people and begin to develop collaborations, I think it was an incredible bonus for me getting started as a junior faculty member to make those connections. I became a fan of the HSCI immediately, and one of the next sort of moves to interacting with them was that I became a junior faculty representative on the executive committee. And that really let me understand more about the initiatives that HSCI was trying to put forward. And one of the strong pushes from a lot of the leadership in the HSCI was to make sure that the junior faculty, those who were just starting their laboratories and getting going in the field, were well supported, had mentorship, and had peer interaction that would really help foster their research. And so they charged me to gather these people together and try to ask, what was needed. And one of the things that came out of that was a group of junior faculty, a core group of faculty that really, their research interests aligned, they enjoyed interacting, and we formed out of this the first HSCI junior faculty program project, put together around the idea of cell fate reprogramming and transdifferentiation. And we got together very often, and as we were building up our labs, we were a resource to one another in so many ways, both in terms of direct collaborations as well as just peer support and reagent support and equipment support and advice. And many of us have co-published. I have papers together with, or projects together with almost every one of the individuals in that group, and it's been fantastic actually to continue along together and watch as each of us have grown our labs. And that actually recently culminated in Kevin, Conrad, and I together in the stem cell department finding out almost simultaneously that we had been promoted to full professor. And it's been just a fantastic group of people to get to sort of grow up in science with. I think that the junior faculty program project that brought us together was a fantastic accelerant to our careers, and something that the HSCI leadership also recognized as being incredibly useful for new junior faculty. And so it was decided that this was a program that HSCI wanted to continue to foster. Since our original program, there have been 4 additional programs that have brought together, again, junior faculty in the first few years of their new independent careers, brought together around particular themes, but really broadly interpreted so that they had a lot of flexibility in order to work together and develop new directions. And there's also been cross-fertilization of ideas between the different junior faculty programs as well. And that has, again, provided mentorship opportunities from those who have recently traversed a particular career stage to those who are about to enter onto that path, as well as scientific opportunities for collaboration that I think really have driven the science forward and helped to support the new people entering the field to push it forward.